Now we're going to look at how we actually have to graph. Sometimes they give you a data table that you're going to have to graph and then find your rate of change. Some people can actually take the list of numbers and actually just find the rate of change off there. However, sometimes the question actually asks you to graph. So the big things, make sure you put a title, you label your axes, you create a scale for both your x and y that's appropriate, and you place the points, and then you draw the line of best fit. Okay, so for example, a family returning from a camping trip have 1,000 kilometers ahead of them. See the chart below for the first 5 hours drive. So the first thing we do is we make a title. So on our way home back from the camping trip, that might be a nice title. We also have to do labeling of the axes. So usually time is an x-axis and distance is a y-axis. So we have time traveled, and then along the side we're going to place distance remaining. Then we have to think about the scale. When we look at the table, time traveled, the x, goes up by 1, so I probably am going to draw every block as 1. But the distance remaining, it goes up to 1,000. So I might make every block 50, or I might make every block 100, depending on what kind of room I have. I'm going to do 100. Once done that, we've got to start placing the points. So at time 0, we have 1,000. And at 1, we have 930. At 2, we have 860. At 3, we have 790. At 4, we have 720. And at 5, we have 650. When you don't have the exact things, you have to estimate in between the lines. And then once you've got them all drawn, you draw a line that will connect them. You'll most likely be using a nice ruler, and you try and do the line of best fit. And so you can see all my points are pretty much covered, and we've got that nice straight line. Your graph is finished.